Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening settings quickly. Press Start and click the gear, or press Windows key plus I. Once there, choose System and then Display so you land on Scale and Layout options. Make sure you select the monitor you want to change if you use more than one. This step positions you where font and scaling controls live. It's necessary because changing scale affects text and UI together, and selecting the right display prevents adjusting the wrong screen. Now you change actual size. Use the scale drop-down to lower from 125% to 100%, or try a custom percent in advanced scaling settings. Enter 90% or 95% for smaller fonts. Once done, sign out and back in if prompted so apps update. If you only want text smaller without shrinking UI elements, go to Ease of Access, Display, and move the Make Text Bigger slider down. Make sure to test common apps. Finish by applying changes and signing out, then back in, or restart the apps that look wrong. That forces Windows to redraw text. If fonts remain large, verify your display resolution is set to the monitor's native value. Lower resolution makes text bigger. If problems persist, undo any custom scaling and revert to 100% or native resolution, then try small increments like 95%. One key troubleshooting tip: clear custom scaling, sign out, then set scaling again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.